other news now. When COVID-19 swept across the world, it didn't just disrupt lives, it revolutionized how we work. In Jamaica, the pandemic unmasked a new era of employment, propelling remote work from a rare privilege to a mainstream reality.
For decades, the traditional 9-to-5 office culture dominated the workforce. Employees battled traffic jams, packed buses, and long commutes to reach their workplaces. But when the virus forced lockdowns and social distancing, businesses had to adapt, and fast.
Enter remote work.
A shift that would change the employment landscape forever. Before the pandemic, only a handful of companies in Jamaica allowed work from home. However, as COVID-19 restrictions took hold, businesses had no choice but to embrace technology and send employees home with their laptops. From corporate offices in New Kingston to small businesses in Montego Bay, work from home became the new normal. Government agencies, banks, call centers, and tech companies were among the first to transition, leveraging video conferencing, cloud storage, and digital collaboration tools. Many employers soon realized that productivity didn't plummet. In some cases, it actually improved. Venton Brown is Associate Vice President for Human Resources at Sutherland Global Jamaica.
We had actually our utilization that was trending over 85% constantly, which was actually remarkable considering how quickly we had to pivot to actually work at home. This was actually a phenomenon. And we're seeing actually reasonable service from these employees. They understand the expectations and they have been delivering remarkable results working in the comfort of their homes.
Everybody is already aware of what they're supposed to do with their roles and responsibilities, so we'll just start from there.
Remote work was a breath of fresh air. No more gridlocked commute, no more expensive lunches, and more time for family. Parents could even supervise online schooling, while others found time to pursue hobbies or focus on mental well-being.
One work-from-home employee, Leroy Bailey, a customer service representative, shared his experience.
It was fun. I like it. You know, it keep me off the road with traffic when I come inside the office. And to be honest, I work with some co-worker, we don't want to see, we don't want to be in your ears. So it was relaxing. Wake up anytime, about 8 to 5. I'll be honest, about 8 to 5 work schedule. You just get up, do what you have to do, and make sure you meet, send in a report, meet a deadline.
But work from home wasn't without hurdles. Not everyone had reliable internet access or a comfortable workspace at home. Some employees struggled with distractions, while others missed face-to-face interactions. Employees also faced challenges, particularly in industries that required physical presence, such as tourism and retail. However, businesses quickly adapted by implementing hybrid work models, where employees split their time between home and the office. As the world moves beyond the pandemic, work from home is here to stay. Many companies have adopted permanent work from home policies or flexible schedules. The Jamaican government has also recognized the benefits, with discussions about policies to support work from home infrastructure and digital transformation.
Partnering with the government, the Jamaica Special Economic Free Zone Agency, JCESA, we have 25% of our employees who today work from home.
Economist Keenan Faulkner believes remote work is Jamaica's gateway to global job markets.
Persons don't have to deal with losing hours of productivity in traffic. Sometimes the pay definitely is much better than the alternative that they would be able to find in a office job locally, and just the overall health benefit of not having to deal with the commute to the workplace. So I think it has, internationalized the job market, and instead of labor having to now be mobile and to go wherever the job is, persons are able to take advantage of it from the comfort of their own home.
COVID-19 unmasked the possibilities of remote work in Jamaica. What started as a temporary solution has become a permanent revolution, reshaping the future of employment. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.